Here we are, it's March the 12th, and we're just going through another winter storm. Looks like it's finally over with the sun popping out. Beautiful March the 12th day. Spring's coming soon. You should see the drifts. I'll bring you outside shortly. Snow all over my windows. Here we are at the side of my house. This is the side of my house. It was. Pretty high snowdrift. Give you an idea, if you can even see though. It's hard to tell. There's the stairs. Whoa! Look at this. My air conditioner. The drift. You can see the pool there. Pretty bad. Same height as the drift. It's crazy. I'm also going to walk down the stairs here. Oh.